So after a few days of waiting on Yellowstone to reopen, it finally reopened and we were allowed into the park, but we were only allowed to go into, what was it, the South Loop?
Yeah.
The South Loop of the park. But this park is humongous. It's 2.2 million acres of land. It dates back like 11,000 years. It's the first national park, and I think it's the biggest park. So we'll have to go back and explore the rest of it at some point in time. It's like we had this itinerary, and we had all these things we wanted to do. So our itinerary was just like blown out the window, and so we had to just kind of wing it. Yellowstone is the largest dormant but active volcano in the world. 96% of the park is in Wyoming, 3% is in Montana, and 1% is in Idaho. We just wanted to see as much of Yellowstone as we could, so that's what we did.
Take it easy, day by day. Oh, that's what we do. Watching people all stressed out, running through their lives, a game they play, 1,000 miles of sadness. I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land.
The Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone with the waterfall, it was just, I don't know, words can't describe it. It is 20 miles long. The upper falls is about 109 feet, but the lower falls is 308 feet. Probably one of the largest waterfalls that I think we've ever seen. Did you know that the volume of water over the falls is 63,500 gallons at one point? And with all the floods and stuff, I think it was probably flowing a little bit more than typical, but I don't know.
I wonder that.
Yeah, me too. Definitely gonna go back though, because we have to see the Northern Loop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Yellowstone is a wonderful place. There's one question I get asked a lot about, and that is where we get our music from. The music that's playing in the background, the songs, the sound effects, and things like that on our videos. And that is Epidemic Sound. Although this video is not sponsored by them, I can give a disclaimer that my opinions of this product are probably going to be unfairly biased. Music is very powerful. It touches our emotions and it affects our actions. Now, when I first started off, and I still do, I love to make my own beats and my own sounds, my own tracks, but I just don't have the time. It takes hours, it takes days, it takes weeks to compose this music. When I learned about Epidemic Sound, I was so excited. I was like, I gotta have it. This platform is awesome. It's perfect for me. It's got everything I need. It's very professional. It's very easy to use. Before my free trial even ran out, I was signing up for a subscription. Epidemic Sound has a huge, massive collection of songs, over 40,000 songs, over 90,000 sound effects you can use in your videos to be really creative. The search is easy. It's very simplified. You can pick out songs by genres, moods, themes. You can also download either the song itself, the entire song, or you can download this, what they call the stems of the song, which is like your instruments, your vocals, your melody, your bass, your drums. So you can have, you can use the song however you want. You can use bits and pieces of it, cut it up throughout the video that you're making. One of the cool things is when you have a subscription, it covers the licensing of the song, so you can use it in your videos and not worry about copyright. The platform has also allowed me to make my own playlists, so as I'm choosing through these songs and looking through them, I can save them to a playlist and then go back to that playlist later and pick and choose which songs I want. So I do have an affiliate link with Epidemic Sound. It'll be linked in the description below. Starting March 20th through March 31st, 60-day free trial of Epidemic Sound. The personal plan or the commercial plan only, and it's for new users, so it's just for like people like me, people like you that are out there just starting to make videos, slideshows for your family, or if you want to post it to your own YouTube channel, your own travel channel, whatever. But we'll talk more later about Epidemic Sound. Let's get back to Yellowstone. Old Faithful Park may be the most famous or most popular place to visit in Yellowstone National Park, but the Grand Prismatic Springs is the most photographed. It's as big as a football field, and the smoke blowing off it, I had the most fun at the Grand Prismatic.
Well, I mean, it was pretty cool with the sun setting and just the whole ambiance of it. It was pretty magical, you gotta admit. Yellowstone will always be very magical to me because it was the first time I saw a grizzly bear. I know it wasn't your first time because Grand Tetons was, but Yellowstone will always be in my memory as seeing my first grizzly bear. That was like the ultimate of
That was awesome.
wildlife seeing outside of the moose though, the Grand Tetons, but Yellowstone and the grizzly bear was very cool. And we also saw these huge elk with these big old antlers, like bigger than the size of their
We
heads.
just stumbled upon them. We were driving, and all of a sudden on the side of the road, it was like, what? We
Yeah.
gotta stop. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Is this real? Are they fake? Are they
I know.
real? And they were just sitting there,
Yeah,
laying around, lounging. It was awesome.
it was very cool.
Like and subscribe.
That's what are we talking about?
Tell us who you are first. They don't know who you are.
Yeah. You've never
Hi,
done
I'm the son. The crazy son that you've heard so much about.
No, nobody's heard anything about you.
Really? What is this? I don't know what to do. It's making me laugh.
Tate. I'm Marcus and Amy.
Hi, I'm Ethan Tate. I'm Marcus and Amy's son. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. What my parents do is awesome, and I fully support them. Thank you.
Don't pet the fluffy cows. Don't pet the fluffy cows. We always take our videos at a safe distance. It's very important. Don't pet the fluffy cows. You don't back and say things. See, Tate out.
No, it's Tates. There's two of
No,
us. The
but I'm
Tates
one.
are going out.
No, but I'm one person.
If it was
I'm
just
saying,
you,
Tate
don't block me.
out. Tate out.
Tate's out.
And don't pet the fluffy cows.
Don't pet the fluffy cows.
Tate